Photosynthesis and cellular respiration relate because one process needs the other in order to complete the full cycle. Photosynthesis creates the final products, glucose and oxygen, which is needed as the reactants in cellular respiration. The two processes are opposite, however, neither can function without the other, and together they create a life cycle for living organisms. Photosynthesis is an anabolic process, which means it requires energy to build small molecules into larger ones. Small molecules like light energy, carbon dioxide, and water are put into a chemical reaction in the cell's chloroplast, where it makes glucose and oxygen. Within the chloroplast, there are two different types of reactions occurring, one being the light-dependent, which is where light is converted to chemical energy, ATP and NADPH. During this reaction, you get electrons, protons, and oxygens when water is split. Whereas in the light-independent reaction, ATP and NADPH make product that can be converted into glucose. Cellular respiration consists of three major important stages, one being glycolysis, the second stage Krebs cycle, and the third electron transport chain. Each step functions differently according to the molecule it is operating on. Cellular respiration is a catabolic process, meaning the larger molecules, in this case oxygen and glucose, are broken down to smaller molecules and ATP energy is released. The reactants and the products of the two processes relate to each other because both formulas contain the same reactant and products, just reversed during a certain process. The ending product in photosynthesis are the starting reactants in cellular respiration. So to conclude the relationship between the two, photosynthesis and cellular respiration, one cannot process without the other one and vice versa.